Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to shoot a quick video talking about NEO's Bitcoin High Income ETF, ticker symbol BTCI. Today we're going to talk about how much it would take for you to invest at the current levels, the current distribution amount, to make a certain dollar amount per month. So looking at this website here, let's look at some of the historical data. So we can see BTCI pays every single month. They pay one time per month, as we can see here. So, you got $1.47, $1.39, $1.51. So let's just, use the most recent distribution of $1.47 for our calculation. So pulling up the calculator here. So we said it was $1.47. So in order to do our calculation, let's say we want to make, starting out, $100 a month. So $100 a month times 12 months, that's going to give us our annualized income. And then you're going to have to divide that by the dividend per share. So in this instance, it's going to be $1.47. So $1,200 divided by $1.47 tells us that we are going to need to have at least 816 shares of BTCI in order to get this payment. Let me pull this over so you guys can see that. Let's bring that over here. So at the current price, you can see here on the left part, it is at $60.63. So if we multiply on our calculator here by 60 shares, roughly, or $60.63, that is going to tell us how much it takes as far as a initial investment in order to start producing, what did we say? And I think I did this calculation off. So let me back up. So it's not going to take $50,000 to make $100 a month. Let's back this up. So $1,200. So let's annualize this out. So $1.47 times 12 months. It's going to be $17.64 if they can pay that $1.47 every month. So I know every single month is going to vary per se. But let's just use it for illustrative purposes only. So $17.64. So we want to do $1,200 divided by $17.64 annualized out. So that's going to tell us that we're going to need roughly 68 shares. Sorry for the miscalculation earlier. Then we're going to take the number of shares by the share price. That will tell us a much smaller number there to make $100 a month from BTCI. It's going to take roughly an investment of $4,100 at today's price in order to produce $100 per month in distributions from this ETF. Like I mentioned, use this for educational purposes only. As we can see, every single month is different, so this number is definitely going to vary. So let's scale this up to $1,000 a month. I imagine it's just going to be moving a decimal place. But for simplicity, we want to do $12,000 divided by 17.24. It's going to tell us we're going to need that many shares, and then we're going to multiply that by the share price of $60.63. That's going to tell us that in order to make $1,000 a month, you're going to roughly have to invest 42.2K into this fund. Then scaling it up a little bit further, guys, let's say $5,000 a month. So that's going to be $60,000 divided by 17.224. That's going to show us how many BTCI shares we need in order to produce $60,000 of income at $1.47 distribution. We'll take that number and multiply it by the current share price of $60.63. And that shows us that if you have $200,000 sitting around and you're comfortable with risking it in the stock market, you can invest into this fund from NEOS that will pay you distributions, not guaranteed, of course, but an estimate somewhere from $1.15 to $1.57 as what they've paid, the past, 8 or 9 months, give or take here. So hope this was helpful. This is a very interesting ETF out there in the marketplace right now. I know there's a lot of bearish news here recently, but long term, I like Bitcoin. I like that asset, and this fund from Neos, they're not paying out astronomical yield percentages per se. This fund right here looks like it's estimated at 27.28% for the yield at current prices and whatnot. So, but yeah, the NAV has not been terrible. Definitely do your own research though. This is just for educational purposes only. Make sure you understand the risk with these types of income funds. Make sure you understand the taxes, etc., etc., etc. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you got something from it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Does this fund interest you in any way? Are you a Bitcoin fan? Are you a fan of Neos? Would love to hear your feedback down below. Thanks for watching.